Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create an album in Google Photos in just a few simple steps. First, open your web browser and go to Photos Google.com. Sign in with your Google account. From the left sidebar, click Photos. Now select the photos you want to add to a new album. After selecting the photos, click the plus icon at the top of the screen. From the menu, choose Album. Next, click New Album. Enter a name for your album, such as Vacation 2026 or Family Photos. Then click Done or Create. Your album has now been created successfully. To view it, click Collections from the left sidebar and then Open Albums. If you want to add more photos later, open the album, click Add Photos, select the photos, and click Done. You can also share the album by clicking the share icon and creating a shareable link. That's how you create an album in Google Photos quickly and easily. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Google Photos tutorials.